How to receive money on Venmo. To kick things off, we need to make sure your funds actually have a safe place to land. Right after you set up your profile, your very first move should be linking a bank account or a debit card. This step is incredibly important because it's how you'll eventually move your digital Venmo balance into real-world spending money. Just open up the app, dive into your settings under Payment Methods, and follow the quick on-screen prompts. Venmo will run a fast verification, and just like that, you are officially set up to get paid. Next up, let's talk about how people actually find you to send you cash. The most straightforward route is simply giving them your unique Venmo username. But honestly, if you're splitting a bill in person or setting up for a local event, using a Venmo QR code is an absolute game changer. To pull yours up, just tap your profile picture, hit the small QR code icon, and choose how you want to share it. You can text it directly or even print it out. Just a quick heads up, if you do print it out for a business or an event, scan it with a friend's phone first to make sure it works flawlessly before putting it on display. Now, what happens if someone forgets to send you their share? Don't worry about an awkward conversation. You can just send a friendly request instead. Tap the Pay or Request button right on your main screen, look up your friend's name, and type in the amount. I always recommend adding a quick note or a fun emoji so they remember exactly what it's for. Hit send, and the moment they approve it, that money will slide right into your balance. Finally, let's make sure you actually get your hands on that money. Whenever someone pays you, Venmo will pop up a notification. You can verify it instantly by tapping the personal transaction icon at the bottom of your screen to see your history. From there, you can leave the cash right in your Venmo app to pay for future things, or you can send it to your bank. If you want to cash out, just tap Transfer Money, put in the amount, and pick your speed. The standard transfer takes a day or two and is completely free, or you can pay a tiny fee to get it in your account instantly. And that is how you accept Venmo payments. Now that you know how to receive money, click on my next video right here, How to Send Money on Venmo, everything you need to know to master the other side of the app. See you over there.